Good morning students, this is Susma, TGT English, a faculty of Suraj School. Dear students, today I am going to explain how to write message. First of all, we have to know what is a message. A message is a short piece of information that you give to a person when you cannot speak to him directly. जब हम किसी पर्सन से डायरेक्टली बात नहीं कर सकते then we convey a message and it is a short piece of information. Format of a message. What is the format of writing a message? So first of all we have to write heading. The word message should be in capital and bold, and this is heading, and it should be in the middle of the lines. In heading we will write the word message, and this will be in capital and bold letters, and in middle of the line के बीच में हम इसको write करेंगे, middle में write करेंगे. Second, date is written on the left hand side of the page. We will write date on the left hand side of the page, and it should be in expanded form. Expanded form means we will write date and name of month and year, like 16 May 2020. Next, time can be written both on left and right side. टाइम को हम दोनों साइड राइट कर सकते हैं, बट वी विल प्रेफर राइट टाइम ऑन राइट साइड. फोर्थ, सैल्यूटेशन. इट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट टू एड्रेस द रीडर. दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट कि वी हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ द रीडर, एंड इट इज़ कॉल्ड सैल्यूटेशन. फिफ्थ, बॉडी. इट इज़ द मेन कंटेंट ऑफ द बॉडी wherein you provide all the information that need to be conveyed. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन हमें देनी होती है, कन्वे करनी होती है, वो सब हम बॉडी में राइट करते हैं. सिक्स्थ, सेंडर राइटर नेम. हेयर वी विल राइट द नेम ऑफ राइटर. मीन्स इफ द नेम ऑफ राइटर इज प्रोवाइडेड इन question, then we will write the same, otherwise we can write our name. Okay, look the format. First of all we write the word message in bold and capital letters. Then we will skip one line. After that we write date in expanded form, like 15 December 2020. After that again we will skip one line and time on right side. Next, salutation. In salutation we will write the name of reader. Okay. Next, body. In body we will write the information that we have to provide to the readers. Next, again skip one line and signature and name. Here we write the name of writer. Some key points that we have to keep in our mind before writing message. First, stick to the word limit. We will write only 15 words. Next, grammatical accuracy. Grammatical accuracy and spelling is most important part of message writing. Next, message should be short and to the point. No need to write unnecessary information in the message. It should be to the point. Date should be in expanded form. And close the message in box by using pencil. And this is the most important कि we will write message in a box. मैसेज राइट करके उसे एक बॉक्स में हम एनक्लोज करेंगे, एंड टू ड्रॉ द बॉक्स वी विल यूज पेंसिल. ओके, रिमेंबर इट. Okay students, look one example. This is the conversation between Nikhil and Shreya. Nikhil, Shreya's father's friend, and Shreya, Nikhil's friend's daughter. This conversation between them. Nikhil: hello, is that Mukul's residence? Shreya: yes, may I know who is calling? Nikhil: my name is Nikhil, I am your father's friend. Shreya: he is asleep right now. Nikhil: alright, give him a message to call me so that we can plan something, because I am in Delhi for a week. My contact number is 5048973332. He can call me anytime after 5 p.m. Shreya: I will certainly convey your message. Okay, this is the conversation. And suppose Shreya has to go somewhere, so it is necessary that she writes a message for her father. Okay, look the example. We write the word message in bold and capital letters in the middle of the line and skip one line and write the date on left side and time on right side. Again we skip one line and write the salutation. In salutation we write the name of for whom we are writing the message. After that we will skip one line and in body, okay, look, your friend Nikhil called at 9 a.m. He is in Delhi nowadays. He wants you to call him so that he can plan something. His contact number is 5048973332. Again we will skip one line and will write the name of writer. यहाँ पर हम राइटर का नेम जो कि मैसेज राइट कर रहा है उसका नेम राइट करेंगे. मे बी कि इट इज़ गिवन इन क्वेश्चन and if it is not given in question then we can write our name. Students, I hope you understood this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.